how are you? Patricia here from Llandere Jewelry. It's evening now, so I'm kind of slow getting this video up. I have a package. So we'll see what it is. I ordered some jewelry supplies, beads, etc. from Bead Box. And I don't know, this isn't the bead box. I didn't order that much. Huh. I'll open it up. It's a little package. Whoa, 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 whoa. No, this isn't the September bead box. No, it's not. Oh, 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 there's a... Monica. My online friend Monica, Sparkle by Monica. You should follow this girl. She's so sweet, wonderful person, kind-hearted. And she had mentioned that she was sending me early Christmas present so that it'll get here in time. And that it would set me a tracking number and that. And from Bargain Bead Box, and this is it. Oh my gosh, thank you. Ugh. Now I get all teary. Oh, don't cry. My goodness. And the other bag is my order. So I'm going to share both with you. And my eyes are watering. I need a Kleenex. Be right back. Now I got the sniffles. Gosh, you know, people are so kind online. Okay, I'm going to set up and get myself together. Thank you again, Monica. You're so sweet. Okay, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So let's go through this beautiful goodie bag I got as a Christmas present from Sparkle by Monica. I'll put her link down below. You should really check out her videos. Okay, that pretty. Need some glasses. This is gorgeous. This is called Snowflake Obsidian. Beautiful beads. Like, if you're not subscribed to, I'm not affiliated with Bargain Bead Box, but you should subscribe to them. Like, you get quality beads and findings in your box. It comes actually in a bag. Actually, this is the bag that comes. I haven't shown you what this month's for September is, but they also have their, as I was saying, they had a affiliate site called Bead Box Bargains, and once you subscribe to Bargain Bead Box, you get a coupon to use there. And let me see, I'll tell you how much it was so I'm not steering you wrong. So every month you get a 30% off coupon in your bead box and to use in the Bead Box Bargain shop. And they also have, if you make jewelry with the stuff from the monthly box, you submit it and your name can go in a draw. Don't need that bag. Let's check out another one. I'll try and be quick because there's just so much here. Monica, Monica, Monica. They sent me this little faceted bead gift. Thank you. Oh, this is lovely. Get out, Nova. My puppy's in my office here with me, so she's snooping. I had a cute gnome I bought at a market, and she ate the foot. Where is it? Here's the little guy. Isn't he cute? And he's footless. So I'm working at a market, hopefully tomorrow if it's not pouring, or it'll be the next day. And she's going to get me a new foot for him. My goodness. Puppies. Okay, the next necklace is black labradorite, or it's also known as larva kite. These are beautiful. I'll just see if there's any flash in these. Yeah, some. It's hard to tell in the camera. Today is my husband's birthday, and we're going to my daughter's for dinner, so oops. Oh, this is lovely. Love the colors. Beautiful fall colors. This is called Crazy Lace Agate. Very nice. This is Blue Spot Jasper. Ooh, they look like roses. Beautiful blue. This is a labradorite. Oh, that's pretty. Dyed tiger eye, and it is also heated. Oh wow, I love the colors, like turquoises, green. Night, a teardrop pendant, like the other ones that I ordered to repair that necklace. This has really lovely colors in it. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is so darn cute. This antique silver teapot. I don't want to use one of the beads she sent me because I'll have to cut the rope and then I'll have beads everywhere. Just put that on there. Could go for even probably a bigger bead. Whoop. So it just puts, and the little top goes on. Beckerolite. I've never heard of that one before. Gems. Oh, that's pretty, all faceted. That is gorgeous. Love this caramel colored leaf. This is red agate. It's a pendant. There's a hole here. Would look lovely wearing with a sweater. Sweater weather. Here's a green one. This one's Jasper. Natural tree agate. That's interesting. Another one I never heard of. Oh wow. This is gorgeous. Botswani agate, I guess that's what it is. I can't read my own writing because I didn't have the labels on. That's pretty. Very nice citrus colors. Here, ooh, here's another leaf. This is pretty too. Look at that for pendant. And this one is rainbow jasper, red rainbow jasper. Yeah. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look how beautiful the blue of the lapis microfaceted round beads. I have another strand of this, so this is going to go perfect for what I want to make these certain earrings. That's really pretty. This is red agate. Isn't that cute? It's a large bead. You can put it on a bracelet or on the end of a necklace hanging up and down. Maphite dyed round beads. That's pretty. This strand of these. I was going to say hemorrhoid, red hemorrhoid quartz. No, red hematoid quartz. Oh my goodness, I'm getting goofy. I need a cup of coffee. I don't know. Ooh, aren't those beautiful? These are jasper. Very nice. Should get a little knot here. Gonna have some, knowing me, I'm gonna have to do bead pickup. There we go. Very pretty. Oh, so cute. The little pumpkins. And that's golden quartz. Carved. This is adventuring, red one. Oh, cute. More pumpkins. That's pretty. Shellflower. Oh, that's cute. And there's another flower called red agate. This is another snowflake obsidian. Ooh, that's pretty. Tiger eye. That's a beautiful carved flower. Ooh, red agate. That is really pretty. This is brown snowflake obsidian again. And this is picture jasper. I guess like a picture frame, I guess. A nice bracelet. Love the nice sandy colors in there. Peach quartz. Ooh, nice. That's pretty. This is Dalmatian jasper. Isn't that cute? And the last one. Beautiful. This is jasper. I'd like to thank you for being here. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate all of you who have subscribed already, being I'm just new to this. And you all take care. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you put on the darkest one, and you'll get every time a notification every time I put a video up. and give it a like if you like it, and please do comment. It sort of helps me know I'm going in the right direction. Bye, take care.